Hi everyone, Rainey with my dream boat project, and today is time to finally get moving. I got the wood all glued together. So today is, well, what I've done already, and I'll show you, was measuring out the wood, drafting it, getting everything on there the way it's supposed to be, and in just a moment we're going to start cutting out panels. So let me show you what I've done so far. And yes, I have my trusty mask, by the way, and I'm going to be doing a video on this later on, showing you it's an excellent mask. I love the thing. Take a look at this. I just put it on and pull this down. Right here. This is a quick release mask. I put it on, and now it's on. It's not. I don't have to take everything off. Just take it and click the latch. And they could take it off to breathe or to talk to people or answer the phone. Ain't that cool? So I'll show you that in another video. So let's go ahead and let me show you what I've done so far. So here's the panel I'm working on right now. It's a little over 19 feet long. And the first thing I had to do is, let's see, I'll use my little pointer here, is I had to measure it and put kind of different intervals, all these different lines going across, most of them all the same measurement. Some of them are a little different, so I measured that going all the way across, so I have lines going across. And then what I did is I went to the plans, found out where every point had to be, so I put a point there, a point there, a point there, and of course traced them out. That's the back of this is the top, actually right and left portion of the boat. And you can see where on top and bottom, that part, I don't know if you can even see the line, goes all the way up to the front. And then over here, I had a lot of fun with this, but trying to shape the front the way it's supposed to be. So you can see I'm going to be cutting right over there, like that. So it's all drafted and ready to go. One big long piece for the front. Then I'm going to take that and use it as a pad-in, put it on another piece of wood, about another 19 plus foot of wood, and trace it and make the second piece. And I have some of my other parts right over here ready to go. Oh, one part I forgot to mention. Once I had the points, the way I got these curves was by taking this spline or a long piece of wood here, lined it up with these bricks, and my bricks have those little hooks on them, so I can get it right to the point where I want. Look over here, it needs to be up to that dot right there. So once I get it on the dot, I can either hook it on like this, or by putting it like that, I can push it down. So then I trace with a pencil, just trace with a pencil right over here, and that's how I get my beautifully curved lines. So let's go ahead and get cutting. And there's plenty more cutting to do, but I think you get the idea. So I'm going to continue cutting this. Then when it's all cut out, I'm going to take my orbital sander and my planer if I need it, and sand it right alongside of the line so it's nice and flush with my drawing, and then I could trace out the next part. So that's it for measuring, drafting, and cutting. 1, 2, 3, woohoo! So hey, thanks for watching. This is really exciting for me, seeing this thing coming together and having you here to watch with me and to join me in my journey. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe so you can come back and see what I'm doing next. It's always fun over here. Happy sailing. Bye-bye. I am your father.